Painting an older EIFS stucco home. A step-by-step guide. Exterior Insulation and Finish System EIFS is a popular exterior siding system that provides the structure with insulation, weather resistance, and aesthetic value to buildings. It is also frequently known as Dryvit or synthetic stucco. Here is an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide to help you get the best results when painting an EIFS stucco building or home. Step 1. Determine the type of EIFS system used. Identifying the type of synthetic stucco used is the first step in painting external insulation and finish system stucco. The drainage system having a liquid moisture barrier, the drainage system using a fabric barrier and mechanical fasteners, and the barrier system are the three different types of EIFS systems. The earliest and most basic system is the barrier system. It is made up of an insulation board, a base coat, and a finish coat. This technique depends on the stucco's capacity to breathe and does not allow for water drainage. A more updated technique that allows water to drain through the wall assembly is the drainage system with a fabric barrier and mechanical fasteners. The newest and most efficient technique is a drainage system that uses a liquid moisture barrier. It uses a liquid applied membrane to create a moisture barrier that significantly improves drainage and water management. It is crucial to understand the type of EIFS system being painted, because an older barrier system will require more airflow than a drainage system. You can choose the best paint and application technique with the help of this information. If you are getting value out of this video, it's important that you take a second to like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for that. Let's continue with the video. Step 2. Clean the stucco surface. The synthetic stucco surface needs to be carefully cleaned next. Utilize a cleaner that has been approved, such as STP trisodium phosphate, and mix it as directed by the manufacturer. Spray the mixture onto the surface, then wait 20 minutes for it to do its magic. After the solution has time to loosen the dirt and grime, rinse the surface with a power washer that has a pressure of 200 psi or less. To remove stubborn dirt, you can also use a soft brush, but you should use caution because it can remove the topcoat's aggregate, leaving an exposed area that looks like a shiny spot on the wall in the sunlight, which is obviously very undesirable. Step 3. Paint the EIFS stucco. The synthetic stucco surface needs to be cleaned and dried before painting. If it is a modern drainage system with liquid moisture barrier, start by applying a primer. It is not advisable to use a primer on an outdated barrier system, since the paint won't breathe as effectively and won't be able to dissipate moisture. Because of this, it's recommended to err on the side of caution, and paint without using primer directly over the recently cleaned surface. Consider using a breathable, vapor-permeable coating that allows moisture to escape when choosing the paint. Always, use exterior flat acrylic paint. For the optimum paint type for your unique exterior insulation and finish system stucco project, it is recommended to get advice from a professional who is not only experienced in painting, but also synthetic stucco. Final reflections. Although painting EIFS stucco can be difficult, by following these instructions, you can get great results. Remember to carefully clean the surface, apply a breathable, vapor-permeable coating that may allow moisture to escape the external insulation and finish system stucco cladding, and select the appropriate paint and application technique based on the type of synthetic stucco system present. These procedures will help you create a beautifully painted synthetic stucco building that looks fantastic, and will last for many years.
You made it all the way to the end of this video. You are obviously interested in EIFS stucco repair and maintenance. You need to subscribe to our channel, and turn the bell notification on, so you are notified when our next video is released.